Hey, good morning, chicken watchers. It's John with the birds. We just had a nice, healthy breakfast of mealworms and crickets. Everybody's looking for more. As you can see, the birds are getting bigger. I keep saying that. I see some cute little tail feathers kind of sprouting out. I don't think I can zoom. Um, but we're doing all right. Um, Loving life. Hopefully the rain will stop and I can build. It's time to start building. That's about it. No traumatic, interesting, fun news except birds like worms and crickets.